Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Nicaragua together. This is El Bosque from the Nueva Segovia region. The variety is Catuai and the process is a classic natural process. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To release all flavors of this beauty from Nicaragua, please prepare 300 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in your kettle. Weigh 19 grams of beans and grind them on rather fine click 20 on your comandante. This leads to a lovely acidity and a rich body. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with the hot brewing water. This also warms your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours. Pour 100 grams over 10 seconds in rather vivid circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact, releasing the trapped CO2 from the roast process. The second pour starting at 30 seconds. Another 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, starting to extract the complex flavors of this coffee. Pour 3 starting at 1 minute sharp. The last 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, leading to a balanced and very clean cup profile. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 30 seconds, leading to an even more balanced cup profile. After 3 minutes and 20 seconds, the brew is finished. When hot, the flavor of dark chocolate and walnut are very pleasant, and when the coffee cools off, more and more blackberry and sweet raisin flavor can be enjoyed in a complex and balanced cup. Enjoy!